Today I want us to talk about marketing, sales and advertisement as an investment. One of the biggest mistakes that finance managers in our companies do is during budgeting, they tend to allocate the hugest share to departments like procurement, finance itself, human resource, and the least share is given to marketing and sales and advertisement. Simply because they believe advertisement, marketing and sales is a liability rather than an investment. Have you taken time to think and ask yourself, why is it that Coca-Cola puts out an advert almost every 3 months? They're trying to show you that, hey, don't think of any other option. We are still here and we're still your number one soft drink company in the world. Still choose us. So this is a way of communicating to their customers. So what is my point here? Try to look at advertisement as an investment. Try to look at marketing as an investment. The money I put in marketing should and will reflect back in the sales made and the growth of the company.